Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to know what is the wuauserv service and how to fix the high CPU usage caused by this service, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolutions. First of all, we need to run the system maintenance troubleshooter. Copy the path mentioned here. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Copy the path here and hit enter. This will open the system maintenance troubleshooter. Next, you can run the system performance troubleshooter. Copy the path mentioned here. Then paste it in the run window, hit enter. This will open the performance troubleshooter. The next solution would be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, which is an internal one. So, right click on the start button, select settings, go to system on the list on the left hand side, scroll down to troubleshoot, scroll down to other troubleshooters, you'll find the Windows Update Troubleshooter, click on run corresponding to it. The next solution would be to flush the contents of the software distribution and Catroot2 folders, which has been explained over separate articles and videos. Lastly, if everything else fails, you can consider rebooting your system in the clean boot state to isolate if the issue is with a third-party software. And if yes, then you can find out and disable that third-party software. Press the Windows key and the R button to open the run window. Type the command msconfig and hit enter. This will open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the box is checked, click on disable all. Select apply and finally click on OK. You'll get an option to restart the computer in clean boot state. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.